You know those people who always look super chic and put together, even if they're wearing the most basic outfit of like a t-shirt and jeans? Well, today I'm going to show you how you can put together better outfits so that you too can be one of those people. I'm going to share with you a secret that good dressers know and implement nearly every single day and do it so well that there's a chance that you may have never noticed it before. But once I tell you what it is, you will not be able to unsee it. And like many good things in design, it usually comes in threes. What's the secret? Styling. That's right, it's an answer so obvious that you probably could have guessed it, but if you really knew it in your bones, you would be implementing it already. And I'm going to show you how. I've noticed by talking to a lot of my subscribers one-on-one that many people are not taking the time to style their outfits after they get dressed. And there seems to be a little bit of a resistance to accessories. And if that sounds like you, I specifically want you to stick around till the end because I want to hear from you. But here is the thing. Styling comes in many forms. It's not necessarily always adding an item. It can be makeup, it can be adding a pop of color like the way I'm wearing on my lips. It can be choosing to wear an oversized garment, tucking, rolling, popping a collar, choosing to show your socks, your tights, or your underwear for that matter. Yes, adding an accessory, a belt, a scarf, etc. I could go on, there's so many ways. But the key thing here is that it's done with intention. Choosing to add or do at least 3 things from this list to the clothes that you put on every single day will bring them from just clothes to outfit. And what's more, it's in how you choose to style your outfits according to your taste that you really showcase your personal style. In fact, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up if you agree. So let me show you some very quick examples. Here I'm wearing a skirt and a plain old striped t-shirt, and on its own, it's clothes, I'm dressed, but it's not really anything interesting. But now I'm going to style it. I'm going to knot the t-shirt and change the proportions of the outfit a little bit. I'm going to add a bracelet stack, and note that whenever you're adding something to the same area of the body, that counts as 1, not as 3 things for each of the bracelets. And I'm also going to add sunglasses, something super simple. And you'll notice that these clothes just went from something that I just grabbed straight out of my closet that doesn't even fit that well into an outfit that has intention and that has personality and style. And here's another example of the outfit I'm wearing today. Plain, boring, simple outfit, a pair of black jeans and a button-down shirt with a tiny pinstripe. But the instant I style it and I roll the sleeves, tuck it, pop the collar, add the neckerchief, and add a little bit of a pop of color to the lipstick, now it looks like I planned it and that it's intentional. So whatever boring clothes I was wearing before, now they look styled. And I know that what I wear and like my personal style can be a little bit too loud for some people, but the exact same thing works in minimalist style, which I know a lot of you are interested in. Here's an example of a minimalist outfit, and you can see 3 different things done to it. Even when you notice an outfit that is very minimally styled with a very thin belt, you'll notice that the shirt is tucked, the collar is popped. There's always 3 things that are added to that outfit to style it a little bit and zhuzh it up, shall we say. And what I love about this concept is that it works regardless of what you're wearing, even if you're wearing the most basic outfit. You could be wearing a swimsuit and a pair of cut-off shorts, but if you add hoops, a hat, and sunglasses, all of a sudden you could be in a catalog. And you may be wondering, why specifically 3? Well, because 1 appears to be there for the pure sake of practicality. 2 tend to compete with each other, and 3 is where you start to bring balance. 3 is the sweet spot. You want to pay attention to the proportions and the size of the things that you're doing so that you make sure the whole outfit is balanced. And this specifically works if you want to bring the attention to a specific part of your outfit. In this case, I want to bring the attention to my face and not to the outfit. That's why 2 of the things that I'm styling are closer to my face. And you can do more than 3 if that is an expression of your personal style, but make sure you don't go too overboard. Otherwise, it can start to look a little bit tacky. If you don't already do this, I specifically want to hear from you. What has kept you from styling or adding accessories to your outfit, and how can I help you make things easier? If you're interested in seeing this concept in action right now, I highly recommend you check out the Work Weekend Date playlist next. You will see a ton of clothes transform into outfits in just a few seconds. And make sure that you're subscribed and that you ring that bell so that you don't miss the fall capsule wardrobe coming next week. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next Thursday.